Anak ni Dinhi gibinyagan ng kambal.
Kambal?
Kambal kung ati ka rin.
Diri ba ta?
Wala ka. Wala ka sa bako. Natutuwa ako kasi
Wala, tawag na yata conditional.
Ay, bakit?
Are you a flower girl?
Hindi na siya. Ay, lapit kasi dito. Dito na lapit dito.
Nagharap tayo sa mama? Ayaw ba lang gusto? O sige, sample lang. Mag-sample lang muna tayo. Kiss mo na lang si daddy at si mommy. May sample daw. Sample sa couple. Kailangan ko na yung gagawin ni daddy at mommy daw. Yung daw gagawin ni couple. Sige po. Sample. Kailangan better, sir. They have to be better. Sobrang isado na to.
Ayan.
Paging proud for everyone to see. Yes. Okay ba? 3, 2, 1, my forever!
Oh, may cover. Bawal. Oh, may cover pa. May cover. Ulit. One more.
Second. Okay lang natin ang second. My forever! 1. Anyways, we would like to ask our new hello guys.
Good evening.
Afternoon.
Alright, good evening everyone. First and foremost, thank you very much for coming. And we are very blessed that we are together as one family, with my family and extended family, the household, and my relatives from abroad who came here. So we just want to be more hardworking in terms of having you all guys, all our family here as we celebrate our marriage. So we are married in the Philippines, as you know, and we plan to get married in the church in the Philippines, but we don't have enough time because we went to Canada. So when we went to Canada, we forgot because we have kids, we have different priorities. So we kind of set aside. Then come.
Kasi lahat, nagpanigo ako syempre ngayon sa presence niya as of the moment, okay? And then nandito kayo, magpasalamat kami sa lahat ng love nyo. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ka na to. Tsaka, especially nasaan mo si Ninong. Siya yung makinan ito eh. Kaya thank you sa household ko dyan, sa household namin, Sis Bing, kasi sila yung sa amin na nag-push talaga na nagkaroon kami ng blessing from the church. But I would like also to thank syempre yung nanay ko, Pero wala naman dito, pero ako mamaya na. Tapos family ni Jerson, kila Andy, sa sisters, kila Kuya, kila Jockey Russell, kila Ata, kay Beth, Ate Carla, kay Kuya Liam, tapos, naku yung host ko, late ka, mag-aano tayo, mag-penalty. May penalty ka. Saka will be done. Nakaka-English. Sorry, pinakala ko sa Pilipinas. Yung gusto ko kasi ma-witness coming from you guys, yung message nyo sa aming dalawa. Para sa amin. Yung best wishes. Aside from your presence. Pwede po ba yun? Ako hindi nag-message, alam niyo na ang hiling ko. In messages.
Ito na.
And tapos ito, walang volunteer.
Dalawa na kayo, dalawa na. O ayan, 2 in 1.
Ang request na, ang totoo, Francie. Hindi lang po ako kasi. Hello po!
Ay, good evening na.
Again, let's give a round of applause to our newlyweds, Brother Jason and Sis Luz, again. Okay, so church ready for Brother Jason and Sis Luz. So, actually, we are here together and celebrate the most unforgettable moment again for our brother and sister. So, okay, so let's continue our program by calling from our brothers and sisters to give a wish. Unahin na po natin ang ating
Ninong at kanina.
makikita po ang mga araw na to. Let's go, our brother Joel, Ninong ng Bayan. Yes!
Sino ba ninang?
Ayan, ano na si Ninong Joel?
Ito.
Yes!
Yun, dalawang mic. Nako, hindi ko alam ano sabihin. Ano sabihin ko lang?
Ang wish ko, any advice ko po. Maraming advice sa ating brother.
Sige,
Pagalitan natin.
Pagalitan.
Time, bro.
My wish is, of course, we've been together for quite some time now, so I know you've known each other, a little bit longer, so that's good. In this moment in time, God, you promised that God would be in the middle of your relationship, and that's even better. Living together and now with God at the center, and putting God first.
Actually, hindi akong household for batchmates. Pero siya na-graduate ko ng LSE. And ang aking household leader coach si Nino Joel, talagang minamotivate niya, and minamiss na pinipin niya ito siya natin sa service and management. So okay, ang napakaganda. Sisila po na natin. So okay, dahil po dyan, naman po tayo again.
I am very thankful to be here this evening to learn marriage and our family is very happy to be here and to experience this wonderful home. May God bless both of you and all the women and memories you will experience together. People find many memories in the past along with future. They were your life and they invited the sun family. Marriage isn't just about getting married, it's about taking one step closer to God. May God's eyes and heart be upon you always.
Ayan, sorry bro, kahit nag-umiyak ka. You have to give wishes to ating beloved, yes, partner ko.
Best wishes ko sa asawa. Stay loving and caring to one another, and then with the kids, best with their wonderful kids, to parent them, and also stay with the community, to be guided also, to guide others. Maging example na may forever. Together, nasa tayo, nasa kay...
Diba naman po, to give us another wish for Kuya Jerson and Ate Luz. Let's call Brother Jim. Yes! Brother Jim!
Why kailangan ko mag-follow ngayon. And it gets justified kasi kailangan ko rito to wish the couple congratulations sa kanilang wedding. Brother Jerson and Sis Luz, we've seen you all sa relationship nyo dito sa Canada.
Ay, dito, can you please give Brother Jerson and Sis Luz wishes po? Your wishes. Good evening, everyone. So grateful for the opportunity to introduce his name. Celebration of the celebration.
Ang sikrito sa ano, yan ang sikrito sa magtagal.
Pupukin? Pupukin.
Ayos yan yung dali mo ah.
Well, again, I'm expressing my thanks and welcome to all the people that are with us today. And for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention for your picture. It's ready, sir.
Either US or dito.
Because I do believe that you empower the universe with your words. And I hope that you have more happiness.
Ninang. Hindi na-realize yun yan.
Thank you so much, Auntie El. Normally ko si brother hindi tumitingin sa akin.
Okay, so Tagalog only, yung katabi po ng English, pag-interpret na rin sa Tagalog. Well, Jars and Ghost, congratulations. Bago-bago pala kayo tumigay, fresh na fresh. Hanggang ngayon, fresh pa rin. And sana may journey. Ang MLC Connie ay nasa likod ninyo palagi. Lagi yung magiging buhay.
First, our Bishop Joy. Brother Joy! Come on!
Ayoko, hindi lang.
Ang aming household leader number 2.
Canada indeed is the land where dreams come true. Diba? When you migrated here, it was to make sure that your dreams will be fulfilled as well as your dreams for your children. And sa isang nasi-check yung nasa bucket list nyo. Okay, nakarating kayo rito, nakakanak kayo, nakabahay kayo, nakasasakyan, nakakareer. Pero among mga items na nasa bucket list nyo, si God masaya-masaya ngayon. Kasi this one is for him. This one is for him. Diba? So, sana in the future, God will continue to bless you. Kasi I'm sure mahaba pa yung bucket list niyo. And that He will continue to bless you, guide you, and fill your home with love, joy, peace, kindness, gentleness, lahat ng fruits of the Holy Spirit. Okay? Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Brother Carlos, since he's
Ano man ang pagdaanan nyo, ano man ang makaharapin nyo, laging sabi ni Brother Joy, put that first. Kaya nyo na, don't give up. So, ano man lang sa inyo, wish na.
Brothers and sisters, congratulations, best wishes in your journey today. And our wish is also only to give.
Congratulations and best wishes. If you're happy today, you're happy too. You're blessed that your relationship are blessed as well. So, kami din, tuwa sa ginawa niyo today. So, we are so happy. We are so thankful. And more blessings and more joy, laughter, and happiness to your family. All of you.
Congratulations, you made it to Wow. Thank you so much. Please take it back. Okay. Now let's go.
So, hindi pa po epektibo ang ating nagawang pag-alaga ng bata para hindi pa kami salita. Dahil medyo kinakaway na po sa kapatid ko ng family. Kaya natin lang po ang choice.
As a family po talaga, sinuport po nila kami sa pagpunta po namin dito. Kaya sobrang napaka-grateful po namin sa buhay po ng ating. At ang ating nga po, yun nga po, yung mga kapatid po namin na sumunod po sa amin, ganun din po ang ginawa na kung paano po siya naging napaka-helpful, napaka-love sa family. Ganun din po yung ginawa ng sumunod namin kapatid. And alam po paano kung ano po siya ka-helpful po at
magkapatid?
Hello,
Galing,
Martha.
galing. Yan na yung,
Okay, so this is indeed answered prayer.
Hopefully,
Because we've been praying for you to go through this
keep
Christian marriage. Even
strong.
right on day one that we were together in your household. And I will not give you a wish, but will offer a prayer. Okay, may the Lord give you more reasons to smile despite ups and downs.
Okay.
Go.
Julia.
Julia.
Oh, Julia too. Julia. Yes.
Julia.
All the kids. Tito and